this is not your normal trash truck. It's a dumpster truck. I don't know if he's picking up a dumpster or not. Oh, he is. Let me go over there. Let me go. Hang on. Oh. Wow. So let's go. I want to go show you guys something. So the Greenway started came, right? And also this is a tiny can. And look at it. I mean, it's kind of almost like a play can, but bigger. No other trash trucks came because, see? Dude, this smells so terrible. Blip. Blip. Well, thank you guys for watching my channel. I've been having a lot of comments, so that's good. And also, 4th of July is coming. Yeah, but apparently I might do a 4th of July channel, but I mean not a channel, a 4th of July video. But yeah, dude, I will do it. I'll do it, but yep. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll catch you guys in a brand new video.